So we are doing valence on these cabinets. I pre-cut my pieces. And pre-cut my pieces, and then I'm just using some of this CA glue, miter bond from Depot. 2P10 is better, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. This is what I have right now. So it only takes a couple seconds for everything to set up. Okay. Comes angle brackets to hold it to the underside of the cabinet. Depending on the length, usually put them every 16 inches or so. But if you have like a short run cabinet, like a 24, I'd probably put one there and then one on the side. Always pre-drill. It just makes everything so much easier. Okay, so that's all on. All on. So then what we do here is clamp it in place. So that you can use both your hands to screw this to the underside of the cabinet. Okay, there's our valance. Valance just finishes off the underside of the cabinet, kind of. Mostly it's used when they put under cabinet light. Helps direct the light down so that you also can't see the lights. I will take you in to see what. One thing to note is to always put a small reveal. Leave it back from the edge of the cabinet. Because you're never going to get it flush. Yeah, there we go. Thank you.